Hello everyone, welcome to online class of EVS. I Bhagshri Gupta came back to explain lesson 3 of class 4th and the chapter name is Amazing Animals. Animal interactions. Each animal interacts with their surroundings differently depending on their needs. Some animals live in group like cow, deer, buffalo, sheep, goat, etc. Some work together like bees, ants, etc. And some need humans and plants to survive. Students, pet animals and small insects, they both are depend on humans and plants for the food, or you can say to survive. Animals that live in groups. Animals those interact with other animals of the same kind and live in groups are known as social animals. These animals show social behavior. Students, when you go out of the house, you will see many animals move here and there in the group, like cow, buffalo, dogs, but they don't irritate to the humans because they know how to behave in society. Collecting food. Wolves hunt together. Grass eating animals like deer, elephants, or zebras move in groups in search of food and water. First, baby ducks wading in a straight line. Students, nobody teach to them that move in line. They move in a line by their own. Fish swimming in schools. The group of fish is known as schools. Dolphins and wolves move in packs. Packs are known as the group of dolphins and wolves. Students, if the animals are moving in a groups, they have their particular name of group. Conserving warmth. Some species sleep together for survival and warmth. Goats are social animals and like the comfort from other goats. Goats move together, walk together, and sleep together. Students, goat sleeps in a group. When they sleep, they observe warmth from each other. Like that, they conserve warmth. Grooming the young. Baboons spend their entire life close to their families. Means whole life they live in the family. They groom younger baboons and build a bond with them. The young are given training on the ways and rules of life. Means the parents baboons train to their young ones. Young animals enjoy playing with each other and have fun in a group. Sharing information. Individual animals can exchange important information by forming groups. Students, human beings exchange their information by mobile, by email, by Gmail, by television, by newspaper. Same thing happen with animals, but they don't use any type of hardware. They use their body parts to exchange the information. Like elephants make deep rumbles on the ground using their feet so that other elephants can pick up vibration through their feet. Students, suppose if an elephant is in a forest and he want to exchange the information, they send the message by rumbling their feet on the ground, and the other elephants get their information like that. Protection. Animals feel safe in a group. They live in groups to protect themselves from predators. Animals such as sheep, fish, and birds move in groups to defend themselves. Birds, sheep, goat, buffalo, they always move in group and they think that if they walk in a group then they will be safe. Interaction with humans. Each animal behave differently around humans. It is true, students. See, if a lion see to human, it will behave differently. But if dog see to a human, it will behave differently. Some animals are friendly and like to be around human beings such as cow, dogs, etc. They are known as a pet animals also, and they are known as a domestic animals also. Some are shy animals such as rats, rabbits, etc. Shy animals means if somebody will go close to them, then quickly they will run away. A tortoise hides its head, tail, and legs inside its shell when someone tries to come near it. Students, you can see in the pictures, in the second picture, it is a shell, and inside it a tortoise hides its body parts. Interactions with other animals. A plover sits inside a crocodile's mouth and picks out the tiny bits of food stuck in its teeth. The bird gets its food and the crocodile gets its teeth cleaned. Now, in the image, you can see the first picture is of plover, and in the second picture, crocodile has opened his mouth and now the plover bird is cleaning its teeth. Interaction with plants. Bees and butterflies are attracted to flowers because of their bright color and aroma. Honeybees live and raise their young ones in an enclosed structure known as a beehive. Students, you can see in the first picture, beehive is sucking the nectar of a flower to prepare a honey. In the second diagram picture, you can see it is a honeybee hanging down from the branch of a tree, and in the third picture, butterfly is sucking nectar from the flower. Animal adaptation. Animals have distinct physical features that help them to survive in the environment. These are called adaptation. Students, all animals are different from each other. Their physical feature is different, their voice is different, and their food habit is different. Animals' ears. Many animals can hear certain sounds that we can't. Means animals' hearing power is stronger than human beings. Elephants, foxes, rabbits, and many desert animals have long ears that help them to stay cool in the hot weather. Means elephants, foxes, rabbits, they have a long ears, and that ears help them to keep them cool in the hot weather or the summer seasons. Dogs tilt, turn, raise and lower their ears to listen to different sounds. Dogs can move their ears in all the directions, and according to the surroundings, according to the situation, and according to the sounds, they can move their ears. Body coverings of animals. Animals have different kinds of body covering. Sheep, yak, and polar bear are covered with thick fur because thick fur help them to keep them warm in the cool weather. Crocodile, snakes, and fish have scales on their bodies. Birds have feathers which help them to fly and stay warm because feather has a fur and fur keep the birds warm. Students, here is the homework assignment. Learn these difficult words: interact, behavior, social, straight, warmth, defend, information, vibration, shy and structure. Next, find out the answer of these questions and learn. Name some shy animals. Second, what is animal adaptation? And third, what are social animals? Thank you.